Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to enable relationship status in Facebook. By watching this video you will know everything about Facebook relationship status. You can hide, edit and you can delete your relationship status on Facebook. Go to your profile and tap on the 3 vertical dot beside your name, and from there edit profile option. Scroll down and you will find your public information. Tap edit and scroll down to the bottom and you will find relationship. Tap on the pencil icon beside the relationship button, and from here select your relationship status. Facebook is suggesting you a lot of options. Select your relationship status and type the partner name with whom you are engaged or married or something else. Here you can set this status only me, then Facebook will hide your relationship status. If you make this public, everyone who visit your Facebook profile, he will know about your relationship status. Type your partner name in the box and give some detailed information, since which year or month you are in relationship with that very person. The person will get a notification to accept. If the person accepts this, the relationship status will be approved on Facebook. If you want to edit this, just tap here and change the relationship status. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.